Welcome back to Ridiculous Resins. I'm Ace. We're going ham today. We are doing 2 trays. I got this at the Goodwill. It had a zebra print, so I sprayed this with some, it's like black spray paint, but it had primer in it already as well. So that's ready to go. And then this, I also got a Goodwill. It had some broken tiles with roosters all over them, and that's kind of ugly. So they wanted like $5 for it. It was all broken and busted and missing. So I was like, hey, can we get some kind of deal on this? So it was like, I think $1.99 maybe. I kind of messed up the bottoms when I was breaking the rest of it, so I sanded off the stain. And we'll figure the rest of that part out after the creating is done. Yeah. So, again, we're doing our double pour. I'm going to use some black mica flakes with some black glitter acrylic to enhance our background, because I am going to be using black. Also, I'm going to make some white from some white acrylic, and then I'm going to make teal out of the blue and green alcohol ink and throw in some gold. And also, you guys know how my trusty white, Snow White, LA Colors Shimmering eyeshadow from the Dollar Tree. That's going to be my palette. Looks like Dennis is going crazy. He's got some silver and gold mica flakes, and then it looks like he has some rose gold and black mica flakes. Are you using this? And he's going to use some purple. That's it? Just purple? And
no, some other colors.
He's not sure. He's just going for it. So there's your intro. Now we're going to talk amongst ourselves and listen to music. Because this will be edited out, so I really hope you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and here goes.
That's good.
here is the Jag Tray in all its glory. Trying to get you some sunlight, but all we can see is glare. This is going to get a top coat for finishing, and that will be that. I plan on making a lot more of these trays because I don't have to, I don't know what the word is. It's more creative to me than like a mold, you know, because I can design it, you know, you can always use whatever colors you want, but I am in love with this. It will get its final top coat. I might put a little gold flake in that. My molds are trying to fall everywhere. But where is our second tray? This is the one that Dennis made. It didn't look like it was gonna be whatever, because, you know, he's a guy and his artistic eye is obviously going to be different than mine and everyone else's. But in all actuality, I really like how it came out. I will be sanding down, like I said, because I did get this tray from the Goodwill. But I'm going to check out this company. Yeah, it was made in China, blah blah. And find out like how much the tray itself is worth, and then that's how the prices will be determined. The trays themselves, my materials, and time. But that is them. I like it. This lighting really isn't doing this thing any justice, but there it is in all its glory. But I actually really do like this one. Dennis is probably going to want to keep it for like his weed tray or something, but that's it. And stay tuned because I got a ton. And when I say a ton, I mean a ton of new molds. So, yes, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for watching and coming along with me on this journey. Oh, it's so beautiful and sparkly. I'll tell you a funny story though about this. Is Dennis was using some fingernail polish, but the color just didn't really turn out. And right here where this glitter is, there was the BB that was in the ball and, in the bottle of fingernail polish. So I had to like fish that out and then just put some glitter over it to cover it up. This is going to get another top coat too. It does not have one yet. All that, everything that I'm showing you is all rough. Nothing is final. All the actual final products and looks and finished creations will only be shown, besides like the little molds and stuff, or the little like coasters and trinkets and stuff that I make, but still those aren't like finished. They need to be, you know, sanded, grinded, glazed, whatever. But everything that's finished and able for purchase will be listed on my Etsy when I start that. Right now it's just TBA or TBD. I don't know if you can see, but the lab has gone through some recreations. That's actually my vanity that I've never used for vanity because I use my bathroom. And this is my brand new bike that I got last year for Christmas because somebody stole my other one, so it's not leaving the room. But I am doing more. It's just a lot of stuff, and I have to find more little intricate places and compartmentalize everything. But this is all my jam, and you know, I can't believe that it took me this long to find resin art, because you know that thing they say about work, you know, you find something you love and do that every day, you'll never work a day in your life. And that's really true, because I absolutely love this. I feel like it's the thing that will let me express myself in the way that I see fit for everyone else, you know, to enjoy or not, you know, whatever your jam is, that's what it is. But I really, like, this is going to be a long going, beautiful process, and I really thank everyone for just being here and watching and all that other jazz. If you didn't see, this is the new video coming up of new molds, little things. I had some Darth Vaders as a little sneak peek. These need a glaze coat. That will be your next episode 14. I skipped 12 and scrapped it, but if you watched my reveal on IGTV, then you know that. But again, I'm rambling. I just wanted to tell you guys that I really appreciate you watching this. I really, really, really do. I don't care if you know me or you don't know me, if you hate my stuff or you like it. I just appreciate you watching, so thank you.